We recently focused on the genetic studies of familial WM. It's mainly about the identification of FHL2 mutation and its significance in WM pathogenesis. And familial clustering of WM has been observed over the years, which support a possible contribution of inherited susceptibility to familial WM. However, little is known about the contribution of inherited genetic variants to familial WM cases. We performed whole exome sequencing of germline DNA samples from twins, one diagnosed with WM and the other diagnosed with IgM-MGUS, and also their healthy siblings. Bioinformatic analysis of public biological databases was used to identify the most relevant familial WM candidate. And a novel germline mutation in FHL2 G226A was identified as a familial WM association mutation. And the FHL2 connected with the reported signaling pathways and disease-driving genes such as interleukin-6 and HEC in WM. In summary, an unreported germline mutation FHL2 G226A was identified in the WM twin family. We also have further studies about the FHL2 mutation, and the results showed that this gene FHL2 can also regulate HEC and the JAK state pathways, which may be involved in the pathogenesis of the WM. And we hope our studies will provide more possibilities for the screening of familial WM cases and more insights into the pathogenesis of WM. I think that WM is a rare disease, and we can see more gene studies in the future. And our ultimate goal is to benefit the patient who has WM or other IgM diseases. And we hope the studies of genomic studies, these genomic studies will provide more insights.